Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to record your screen on Windows laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So basically, for some Windows, there are shortcuts in order for you to screen record right away. You can press Shift, Windows, and S. You can also press Windows, Alt, and Shift. And the screen record option or button will show up right away. However, you can also go to your search menu and then type screen record. For example, this one. Now you can run this as administrator or you can just tap on open. Let me tap run as administrator. And this is what it looks like. So you can just also turn on your camera while doing the screen record. That is also good for the vlogger. You can change the size of the screen right here, region, window, or full screen. Then, when you want to start, you just have to tap on this red button, pause, play, and that's it. You can also go to settings to change something, turn on microphone, and turn on use capture sound. If you want to start, just tap on this red icon or button right here, and you can now start your screen recording. Now, if you want to pause, just tap this one. If you want to change and want to screen record just specific window or full screen, just tap on the square icon right here. Once done, tap on the stop icon and it will show you the screen record video. Probably there is a specific file for this one, but you can also change the location. So you can go to settings and set up everything here. You can also change the shortcuts. Okay, if you want to change this one. And yes, the location. For example, if you want to change the location to desktop, that's possible. So just select the folder, tap OK, and basically that's it. So in case that you don't have this on your Windows or your laptop or computer, you can just go to any web browser and then search for screen record tools. There are tons of screen record tools here that you can download. So basically, that's how easy it is to record your screen on Windows laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.